Yeah, we at Atlantic Avenue. Sorry, I cut you off. Yeah. We walking the queue right now. That's class. We hop on the queue right now, bro. We hop on the queue right now. Like I said, I was in Target this now, these group of people, they were like in front of me and shit. I said, you disrespecting. When I was trying to help the woman out, they didn't want to help the woman out. They didn't want to help her take down the stuff. So I said to the woman, if you ever need anything, I'm having on hands and shit, I'll help you out, you feel me? Because they were just laughing, you know? And they don't have no respect, you feel me? So I'm like, you know, if it was me, I would help the person out and would not laugh because it's discrimination. You can't be discriminating against people. And that's what I told them, you know? I said, you don't argue with me because you don't have the respect, you feel me? I'm a heterosexual person, I have respect, right? Even if you heterosexual or not, you feel what I'm saying? You have respect, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna disrespect people and get my way, you feel what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do that shit. Ain't that serious right here. They just saying, they even wanna be hyping or whatever, it's not even shit. It's not even hyping shit, you feel me? You know, it's not even you want to be hyping shit. You know, you can't be mad hype. And at the end of the day, it's like you just want to be a dumbass, you know? He was like, oh, I show you respect, my fault. I said, my fault. I said, you need to apologize to the people because you making fun of people. Apologize, man. Because if it was me, I would apologize and say, all right. I just helped her out because he was just standing there laughing. You know what I'm saying? With the girl, you know? The worker gave me a pound. He said, yo, I know you from somewhere. I said, yeah. He said, yo, you know Jeffrey? I said, yeah. One of my homies work at downtown Brooklyn. He was just talking to me, you know what I mean? He's like, these people don't have no self-respect. I said, yeah. You feel me? They don't self-respect and some shit. Like if it was me and shit like that, and I show respect and no morals, whatever, you know, you can't discriminate. You feel what I'm saying?
You're saying?
The B train is here. This is the B.
But the B not running. No, weekend. Sorry, I cut you off. All right, weekends, there's no B train service. It's only Q. There's a Brighton Beach Q. No, the Coney Island. All right, so the D and the 4 and the N and the R is upstairs, and you go straight down. That's where she want to go. Because if you say something different, she's not gonna understand what you're saying. That's the reason why you have to let her think it over, and then you say something, you know? All right. It's good to help people, right? Yeah, it's Saturday. The weekends, no B train. Yeah, it's only Q's running, no B train. No B train, it's only Q. If you want another route, you can take the D and an R. No B train. Why you leave it alone? I saw you leave it alone. Alright, reason why you leave it alone. Sorry, alright? No problem.
Train and stop 7th Avenue. Getting on. And very close to us.
If people don't understand no B train right this weekend, and they don't understand there's no B train, so they like, oh, I didn't know. That's why you can't start tired to explain yourself every minute. That's the reason I leave it alone.
My name is Joseph. I come this is from got 3 jobs.
The man trying to introduce himself, right? See that shit right here? See that shit right here? You see this shit, right? He trying to get a girl number. He trying to get a girl number. That's why I don't do that shit. That's what it is. You want to try to holler, but you can tell me you're not interested. You see that shit? Trying to holler at some girls. You trying to get the girls them, man. You see this bullshit? He trying to get girls. He trying to get the bullshits. Oh, he had 2 bullshits right here. He trying to get some girls, yo. He trying to holler. Just go up the train. He gonna do the same shit though. He trying to bag. He trying to get some, you know? That's I ain't interested in that bullshit. I don't holler at girls like that. That's disrespectful to the ladies. You wouldn't be in their privacy and shit. If it was me, I would not do that shit, you feel me? Cause you wanna be a dumbass and wanna holler at these girls, man. You don't got no remorse, man. With me, I would tell him, yeah, I said, young fuck, one lady. I said, you look nice or whatever, but I ain't gonna holler. No. It's not me, man. I ain't hollering though. I ain't saying, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying, right, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right. He trying to holler, he trying to get some, he said he trying to get a girl number just now. He high as fuck, he trying to get a girl number. Yeah, he want that too. You see me holler at these girls? I let them move on. I'm not gonna holler and get my way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta respect these women. That's how it is. You got no respect for these women. You ain't going up early. Respect for them, you know. Everyone's short, you know. He wants some vagina, that's what he wanted. And the girl was like, I'm not interested. Yeah, you got a right to not say decline that shit. I said too much questions and shit. I saw him holler at these women. Alright, we about to dip right now. See you next video.